is Nugraheni. Now I will share to all of you how to make a math quiz by using Scratch. So let's get started. Okay, first open your Scratch application if you have the offline version. And now I will make about mathematics quiz. So I need a new backdrop. I choose blue sky backdrop, and then I remove the sprite before. I use the cheek one, and then I put in proper place. Now let's make the function. When the flag clicked, then we switch the costume to tick A. This is tick A, B, and C. And then switch the backdrop to blue sky. So we are making the initial condition, and also we set the x-axis and y-axis according to the coordinate now. And then I want to this tick make sound. This is the proper sound that already provided by Scratch, and he will say hello for 2 seconds and help me. I lost my way, go back home. And could you help me to answer the question to find my way home? And then I give it for 7 seconds maybe. I think it's enough. And then he says also, great, let's get started. Just for 2 seconds. And then I break it with 1 second for each. Then let us move to the main quizzes. So we provide the question by using this function, and then we put the number 12 times 8. So the question is to answer this, and we have 2 conditions here, true and false. So we have if, then, else, and we put the condition if the answer is 96, which is the true answer, then he will say great work for 2 seconds, and then switch the costume to chick B. And I want to make him walking in this road, and then so you must make him move. I also put the sound before, and I replace it move 20 steps. So the movement is not only once, so we use the repeat until function. We use the repeat until touching the edge. So when our cheek touches the edge, I won't make it could change the backdrop. So after touching the edge, if touching edge, then switch the backdrop. For now, we just let it hit by, and we will change it later. And then for the wrong answer, then he will say, "Oh no, try again please," for 2 seconds. Now, since the all of question just for once, you know it, so we make it repeat also. So if we have the right answer, the true answer, it will change the backdrop. But if get false, so what we have to do? Since we have only one question, so I will make it repeat until. Repeat until get the true answer. So that's all for this part for our check. And then we move to the next backdrop. This is chick's home, which is farm. And this farm, I would like to move our chick to her cage. Her or his, I don't know. But okay, now we change it farm. So when backdrop switches to farm, we set X and Y. We have the coordinate here. And then I would like to make sound also, and his move by changing the costume, and I give a half seconds here for break, so it's not too fast or too slow. Now that's all for this check. We need to find his family in his home. I put hen and also a rooster. The hen I put here, and the rooster I would like to flip it. I cut this one, and then change it into proportional size, and then you know that in first backdrop we have no roster, right? So I put it height here, so we'll hide for a moment, and when the backdrop is switched, he will be showed and make sound. Also, this is the proper sound for him, and then I will make him moving also with his costume, and I give a break a half second. We do the same to the hand. When the flag is clicked, then it's hidden, and when the backdrop switches, it will be showed. And she also makes sound, also moving. Yep. So let's review our results. Oh my god, where is my hand? Oh, I forgot it. I'm sorry. Okay, let's see. Thank you, bye bye.